Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we are reviewing or looking at the entries from the intro competition. So let's get into it.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Okay, so if you have no idea what's going on, a couple of weeks ago I put out a post on social media using the community tab on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And basically I wanted people to have a bit of lockdown fun, and the lockdown fun involved people wanting to do my intro. Intro is pretty simple. It's "Hey guys, William Murfitt here," and I just basically left freedom to you guys to do whatever you wanted with that. I've had some fantastic people send some stuff in, and I had a right laugh editing this, so hopefully you're going to enjoy watching it. So how's it going to work then? Because I'm going to do this as a competition, and there's going to be a small prize. I can't quite get to the prizes yet, but I promise you there will be a prize, and I'll update that in my little next month's update. So July's update, I will announce the winner. Now what I want you to do is watch the video, and the bottom down here somewhere I've given the name and where the people sent the stuff from. These guys consist of YouTubers, people from Instagram, friends, family, and people have sent things from all over the world, which is phenomenal. And yeah, if you guys choose your favourite, comment down below which one you think is your favourite, and the person with the most likes by next week, so it is the 30th today, so it's a Tuesday, so by say next Friday, I'm going to give it a week and a bit, the person with the most likes will win the prize. I'll announce it in the update video, and yeah, I'll get that prize out to you guys. So sit back, enjoy, and this is going to get funny. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in a bit.
Hi guys, William Murfitt here. YouTube! Hi guys, William Murfitt here.
Hi guys, it's William. Comment, like, subscribe, click up.
Hey guys, William Murfitt
down here.
William Murfitt here.
There. I
That's
don't know
my
where the subscribe
servant.
button is. We need to subscribe to William Murfitt and Minimat TV, and I don't have YouTube.
Hi guys, William Murfitt here.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Tell what for the bike ride. For the volley.
Hey guys.
William Murfitt here. Hey guys, William Murfitt here.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. It's William Murfitt here. Hi guys. Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Hi guys, William Murfitt here. Hi guys, William Murfitt here.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today's episode, we're going to go find some sheep. I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Hi guys, William Murfitt's dad here.
Hey Million. Hey Million. Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and in today's video we're going to show you how to repair chips in a wing.
Hey guys, Will Murfitt here. I'm so good at fixing minis that I had to push mine to the garage on my wedding day. Follow me.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and in today's video I'm going to replace this knackered swivel hub.
Hi, William Murfitt here.
Hello, William Murfitt here. And today I'm going to do 54 press up.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here.
Hi guys, William Murfitt here.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Cheers.
Hi guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Here you join me in my garage, where on today's episode we have this, which, like most classic cars, it doesn't work. And then coming out here, we have a Mini that apparently doesn't work. We have an MG here, as you can see. It doesn't work because it's an MG. And then coming round here, we've got this car under wraps, and it doesn't work. That's why it's under wraps. So if you've enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.
Hi guys, William Murfitt here. Sorry, that one was shit.
Here you go. Hi guys. William Murfitt here. I'm gonna go through my sprinkler today. You want to see me? Yes.
Yeah!
Let's do a cow. Cheers. Like a nice guy. Face the spot. Let's now go in.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and yet another mini video.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and on today's episode, we're going to install a heat shield on Toonie's car. Are you guys ready?
Hey guys, William Murfitt here.
Hello, William Murfitt here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to another episode.
For Christ's sake, Gary, get out of the engine bay.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Yeehaw!
Hi guys, William Murfitt here.
Hey guys, it's Nicole. Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Or in Scottish if you prefer. Hiya guys, William Murfitt here.
Hi guys, William Murfitt here. Hi guys, I found William's pigeon here. Hi guys, William Murfitt here.
So there we have it. There's some brutal ones in there. Hope you enjoyed this video. I set this up as a bit of quarantine fun, bit of lockdown fun, and I've had such a laugh making this video. And by the looks, I think people had a laugh making the videos too. So thank you so much for watching. So if you have enjoyed the content, please click that thumbs up button. Comment down below who you want to win this competition. And if you haven't done so already, and you do want to, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really, really means a lot to me. And other than that, I will see you guys next time. Take it easy.